Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Fitzpatrick Guiloriver. It's a chipping or cutting mill. We have it under construction right now. We're rebuilding it. A lot of you in the food and confectionery business are familiar with these. You'll see they have a little chipping knife staggered around the rotor. When we're building these, we like to put them on an AC frequency controller, which allows us to run it at variable speed, see how it looks. So we're looking to make sure that the relationship between the mill position, rotor, drivetrain is all true before we tighten everything down. As you can see, we have to make spacers and whatnot to make the drive fit the frame. That's a new Euro drive, by the way. And as you can see, we got just what we wanted. Running perfectly true, quiet, smooth. We kind of take the speed up a little bit far beyond where it originally was designed, so it does have the ability to run up to about 600 RPM. We're running about half speed. That's about 300 RPM you see there. You see right behind it, there's a hood that mounts over the top. Allow you to put something as big as a frozen 5-gallon pail down in there. You'll commonly see them with frozen meats, chocolate, friable materials, like I said. And it's made by Fitzpatrick, a noted U.S. manufacturer of all types of mills and process equipment. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We have everything in process and packaging for the sanitary industries in our stock, so we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.